Hello, last session we discussed about how to create the AWS EC2 instance, and these are the steps what we followed for creating the Amazon EC2 instance. Today's session we will discuss about how to connect AWS instance using the Git Bash or Putty. For that, we need to download either Git Bash or Putty. You can go to Google. Go to Google. Type download Git. Click on the Git downloads. Can see here latest source release 2.28.0. Click on download. So it will take you to the download page, and there are two versions available, 32-bit version and 64-bit version. Based on your configuration, you can select any of these 64-bit or 32-bit and click save file. So I already downloaded this file, so I'm canceling it. I'll go to my local. So this is the download file which I already downloaded. So right click, open. Follow on screen messages to install this one. Click next. Where you want to install the file, I'm changing it to some other folder to external installations. Click next. I think it is showing it is already available. Let me check. So delete this file. Yes, these are the default checks which are available: git bash and git bash. If you want any additional icons on the desktop, then select this one also. Click next. If you don't want to create the start menu folder, you check this option and then click next. I'm using the default editor as a Vim. There are other options also there: Notepad, Nano Editor, and Sublime. Can use based on your convenience. Click next. Then click next. Use OpenSSH executable file client. Click next. Use the OpenSSL library. Click next. You can use all the defaults as of now. Click next. 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 Enable experimental built-in. I don't know. This one is not that much useful, so you can use a blank as it is. You can click install. Once installation done, we can connect our instance using the Git bash. Go to AWS account, click AWS console. Log into your account. Use your login information to log into your account. Once you log into your account, go to EC2 dashboard. This is EC2 dashboard, which are two instances available here. So which is already created in the last session. It is top state. Let me start. Click on start. Yes. Once it is up and running, we will connect using the Git bash. Check and refresh. Yeah, now it is up and running. You can use the launch instance, connect, and access. These two menu options are available. So you can use connect option. This is the command you want to copy. Then finish it. Git bash we already installed. Let me open File Explorer and start from any of the File Explorer folder. I'm using this AWS folder. Here, right click and start Git bash here. Now you can paste the command which you copied from the connect AWS instance. Click. Click yes. Now you are connected. Type your name. This is the Linux. Now we are done with the connect AWS instance using Git bash. Now next step, what we do, how to install update Java on Linux. Check the Java space hyphen version. So there is no versions available. JDK is not available in your Linux machine. For that, what we need to do, we have to download and install. For that, what we need to do, first we need to update the packages. Sudo yum update. This will update all the packages. So it is already up to date, nothing to do. Now I can go to Google, type install Java Linux wget command. Click on Stack Overflow. Here you can see the multiple JDKs. That means JDK 14, 11, and 10. All the versions are almost. I am taking this RPM version. JDK 13 and copy, paste into your local folder. Copied. Then for your reference, I am copying the URL also. Now we can go for our machine. yum-y install wget. Suppose if you are not installed wget package, it will install. If it is already there, this command is under root user. Okay, sudo yum-y install wget. It is also up to date. There is nothing to update. And clear the screen. Type ls. Now we can make one directory. kdir java cd java. Go to that directory. Now we can paste the wget command for downloading the JDK. Paste it here. You must check the cookie online license accept and secure backup. This should be checked, otherwise it will not be downloaded. Click enter. It is going to download the test. It is downloaded. Now clear the screen. Touch ls. Then the JDK is available now. Now you can run rpm sudo rpm -i for installing the Java version. It will install the JDK 8 version and one. it is done. Check the Java space hyphen version. Take a version. Check the Java compiler version. So both are available now. Now we're done with the install Java on EC2 instance. Next what we do, update Java on EC2 instance. That means if you don't want this version, you can download alternative version, or if it is already there in the alternatives, you can use sudo user yes bin alternatives hyphen config Java. If any other versions are available, it is a configuration can see. So there is no other versions. We can keep st. That's all, guys. So today, how to connect AWS instance using the Git bash and how to install or update is on our EC2 machine. Then on the next sessions, we will learn about how to install Maven and other things. We'll do that. Thank you.